Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious protein powder oats. First, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred liquid, like milk or water, in a microwave-safe bowl. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes until the oats are creamy and fully absorbed. Once cooked, remove from the microwave and stir in 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. This simple method ensures a quick and nutritious meal. To achieve a perfectly smooth texture, a little trick helps. First, mix your protein powder with a small amount of cold liquid, perhaps 2 tablespoons, before stirring it into your hot oats. This creates a smooth paste, preventing any unwanted clumps. Then, use a whisk to thoroughly combine everything. A tiny pinch of salt can also surprisingly enhance the natural sweetness and overall flavor of your oatmeal, making it even more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about making your protein oats truly special. You can easily elevate your meal by adding fresh fruits like a handful of berries or a sliced banana for natural sweetness and essential fiber. For healthy fats and added texture, consider stirring in a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a creamy spoonful of your favorite nut butter. A small drizzle of maple syrup or honey can also add a delightful touch of indulgence. For those busy mornings, consider preparing overnight protein oats. Simply combine your ingredients and let them soak in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Cooked protein oats can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, making them a convenient grab-and-go option. Remember to adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your perfect, desired oatmeal consistency every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.